In a quiet neighborhood on the edge of Chicago, 12-year-old Liam lived with his mother in a small apartment overlooking the train tracks. Life had not been kind to them. After Liam's father passed away unexpectedly, everything changed. The laughter in the house faded, bills piled up, and the once lively home turned silent. Liam watched his mother work double shifts, coming home exhausted but still offering him a smile. He could see the pain in her eyes, pain she tried so hard to hide. He wanted to help, but what could a 12-year-old boy do? One winter morning, Liam found his mother crying quietly at the kitchen table. She didn't notice him standing there. She held a shut-off notice for the electricity. That image remained carved in Liam's heart. That day, he made a promise. "I'll rebuild our world, Mom. I don't know how yet, but I will." At school, Liam noticed something. Many kids loved handmade things. Keychains, stickers, little drawings. Liam could draw well, really well. So he started selling small sketches for $1 each. Soon, his classmates started asking for custom cartoon avatars, birthday cards, even t-shirt designs. Within weeks, Liam earned $85. He handed the money to his mom. She stared at it in shock. "Liam, where did you—" "Mom, I worked for it." "I want to help." Tears rolled down her cheeks, not tears of sadness, but pride. Liam didn't stop there. He watched YouTube videos about small businesses, graphic design, and online selling. He created a simple online page where people could order digital drawings. He called it Little Sparks Art, because even the smallest spark can light a whole world. Orders started coming from around the USA, then from the UK. Soon Liam was drawing every evening after school, carefully delivering something special to each customer. One day, a message popped up. A major social media influencer from London wanted to feature his artwork. Liam's hands shook as he told his mom. Within 48 hours, Liam's page exploded. Hundreds of orders, messages, donations. People around the world were inspired by the story of the little boy rebuilding his life one drawing at a time. A month later, Liam and his mother walked into their apartment and turned on the lights, not worrying about shut-off notices anymore. Their home felt warm again. Hope lived there. His mother hugged him. "You kept your promise. You really rebuilt our world," Liam smiled. "Not alone, Mom. We rebuilt it together." And from that day onward, Little Sparks Art wasn't just a page. It became a movement, a reminder that you're never too small to make a big difference. And even broken worlds can shine again. If someone believes, if someone tries, if someone loves.